Okay, guys, what up, man? This is the boy Dennis here again. Today I'm coming with a brand new video about making money online. Today I'm coming with a nice uh, 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 software for you that can allow you to make money without you doing anything. Just to refer friend and you earn money, and that's it, guys. So let's get started. So today I'm coming with something called the Payoneer. I don't know if you have heard it previously, but today I'm coming to review it here right now. What is Payoneer? Payoneer is a website or software which it allows you to create a account online. It doesn't matter. You can create a Euro account, a US dollar account, GP account, any kind of currency, but especially in a overseas countries, right? So today this website is so amazing, and why I'm saying that is because when I refer you, or when you sign through under the link that I'm gonna leave in the description below, you earn $25, as you can see here. They say sign up and earn $25. So this is amazing, guys. This is crazy. On top of that, and you're gonna have a free account online, that you can receive money from anywhere all over the world. I'm using it and I love Payoneer. That's amazing. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna click the link that I'm gonna leave down in the description below. Then once you've done that, it's gonna bring you somewhere here, as you can see here. Once it bring here, you just come to sign up, you put all your details, and the warning that I have to warn you guys. When you are signing up, don't make a mistake of putting fake details, because Payoneer is like PayPal. So it really need your original document or original address, because if you put a fake address or if you put anything fake, you're not gonna receive your money. You're not gonna withdraw any money. So what you need to do is make sure you put everything correctly in the right way. Put your number one, put your address correctly, put your phone number correctly, put everything that they ask you correctly. That's what I want to say, guys, please, so that you won't blame me at the last, because this is strict company. They need everything to be correct, to be done in the right way, And don't forget also, I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description. Once you sign through that link, you're gonna receive $25 in your account. And yeah, that is you're good to go, guys. This company, so it's a legit company. It has been operating more than 25 years ago, and it will also it's a blended with this you can see Upwork, Crossover, Airbnb, 99 Design, Tab, Fiverr, Freelancer, People Per Hour, eBay, Amazon, Wish, Google, Evanto, and many more, guys. So it's a legit company. I have been using it whenever I want to withdraw my money. I always use those two websites to receive my money. I use this one, Payoneer, and the PayPal. I'm also going to talk about PayPal later on, but not in this video. I'm going to make a video about PayPal also. It's got also a filing, but I'm going to talk also later on. It's also a nice website, because I have been using it as well. So I'm going to make a video on it as well, and how you can use it and get money on it. So this is PayPal. I think even today I used it. Let me quickly show you, so that you can read what I'm talking about, because I don't fake. I always talk what is happening. I'm going to just click I'm not a robot. Let's change. This one's taken. Okay, yeah, we are good to go. Is it? Yeah, this is. I think even today I used it. I used it even today. 0, but let me go to the activity. Where? Here. I just want to show you the transaction of today, what I did. Okay, this one that I did this transaction. I just received more than 400 US dollars. So yeah, that's it. I'm using PayPal. I'm gonna make a video also about this one. So let's keep on. Let me keep on talking about this one. So this is my Payoneer. This is my Payoneer. So if you want to refer a friend, what you're gonna do is just let me quickly refresh it. Once you log in through this link that once you log in, once you sign up through this link, everything you put everything correctly is gonna take you through, because once you sign up, once you click sign up here, it's gonna start asking you your details. Let me quickly show you what I mean. I can't sign on myself. I don't do that. I do everything correctly. It's gonna ask you, let's find the right account for you, for your needs. You're gonna just say you're gonna choose here, I am online seller or affiliate market. I always choose affiliate marketing, or you can choose even online marketing, but I like affiliate marketing. So you're gonna choose I'm looking to, you're going to click here, you're going to get paid by publisher or networks and platform, or promote Payoneer and earn commission. You're gonna come here where it says promote Payoneer and earn commission. Click here. Once you've done that, you're gonna wait for it to load. Once you wait for it to load, it's when they're gonna say you're gonna just click here where it said start earning now. You just click where it said start earning now, and you're gonna fill up this details here. I'm not gonna go through because I don't want to sign on my own, but you can do that. Put your company name. If you don't have company name, you're gonna put any name. It doesn't matter, guys. You're gonna put your name or your surname. It doesn't matter. And you put your first name and your last name, and you put your email address and phone number. Make sure everything is all correct. And also here, you're gonna show where say in which geography region will you promote Payoneer. You're gonna choose here where you want to promote, but I always choose Australia and New Zealand. It doesn't matter whenever you want to choose. You're gonna choose that. Once you're done, you're gonna come here where it said what type of intertiles will you refer to Payoneer. You're gonna click here and choose individual. It doesn't matter if you can choose business, up to you, but I always choose individual because I don't I don't have company. I work online. That's where I make my money. So once that, and they're gonna ask you vertical, gonna choose affiliate, or you can choose an e-commerce, t-shirt affiliate, what, everything, but I always choose affiliate. And here is in which channel will you promote Payoneer. Go and just get, and you can either, if you have your website or channel, YouTube channel, or anything else, or social media, you can just choose. But I have my YouTube channel, so I always click I have a website, and also I do have a website. So if I click here, say I own a website, they're gonna ask me to put a website. This is what I mean. They're gonna ask you to put my website here, but I don't want to do that. And also here, you can choose on the social media, you can choose a refer friend. Doesn't matter, you can do a refer friend. You put the would you like to receive communication from Payoneer regarding products, promotion, and event. It's up to you if you want to receive all those things, but I always go to no here. I don't want to receive commission from Payoneer regarding product, promotion, and events. That's all. That you've done that, is gonna bring you somewhere here. It means you're done. You're now acceptable as an affiliate. So what you have to do here, once you are in, to refer a friend, you must come here. We say there's home, activity, receive, pay, and withdraw. You just come here. Number 2, we say activity. You just scroll down here, and you come to where say refer friend. You just click here. Once you click, I'm gonna just wait it to load. I'm sorry for accent, guys. I'm not good in English, but anyway, I hope you understand, because I'm just trying to do all my best to help you to make money as you can. That's my wish, because I do make money online. That's I don't do anything, guys. I make money online. I do anything online here. As you can see, this pandemic, I hope this is going to help you because you're going to make some couple of bucks, you know, but make sure you're doing the correct way. That's all. You can refer friend anyway. So once once you click to activity and you scroll down here, it's going to bring you somewhere here. You just keep come with a copy, we say share with your friend, maybe either in email, Facebook, or Twitter, or in. Then you come here and say copy. You copy your link, and once you copy, this is the link that you're gonna refer your friend. You're gonna tell your friend about Payoneer now, like what I'm doing right now. I'm telling you about this Payoneer. I use this link. So once you use this link down below here, you're gonna receive 25 commission, and you're also gonna start spreading about this Payoneer and you earn commission. That's it, guys. So I hope you understand and you like this. Please, if you like this video, give it some up, share with your friend, like. That's it, guys. And also the goodness about this guys Payoneer, you can own bank accounts online, guys. Let me show you quickly here because this is amazing, guys. I'm doing this in my online things. I'm using Payoneer and on PayPal, so I'm using this. So to do that, if you go if you come where it's a bank account for withdrawals, you just click here. You're gonna choose any bank. I have Absa Bank here in South Africa that I'm using, and also you can add any bank that you want for withdrawals. Okay, and for other things as well. Okay, sorry. Let me go back and see if request mass payment pay. Okay, to bank account. Okay. I just want to show you something. I don't know where I'm going, but okay, there's also Payoneer card that you can request for Payoneer card once you reach a minimum of $100, $100 US. As you Payoneer card, a great way to access and spend your earnings. You'll be able to order a Payoneer card once you have received a payment of at least $100 US. That's a very important to remember, guys. So once your account is above $100, then you can request for a Payoneer card that you'll be able to withdraw any money, any ATM. It doesn't matter, anywhere in the world, guys. This number one. That's why I like Payoneer, guys. So once you've done that, it won't show you here learn more. It's gonna just say accept, something like accept here. You just click, or you're gonna say request. You just click or say request, then you are good to go. It won't ask you when to learn more here. And there's more things, guys, that you can go through. I'm not gonna go. I don't wanna make this video long. I think you understand what I'm trying to say, guys. So that's it, guys, for this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to use the link that I'm gonna leave in the description below there. And because if you miss, you're not gonna receive the $25 US that they are claiming to pay. So make sure you use the link down below there so that you can be able to access your $25 US. And remember, once you sign up, it's not like once you get that $25 you can be able to withdraw. No, until you also refer a friend of yours, because Payoneer, they want to spread this, because this is a beautiful website that it allows people to get money online. So make sure you refer a friend and you earn some commission. That's it. Then you'll be able to withdraw money once you reach a minimum of $100. So that's it, guys. I hope you understand everything. If you have some question, please drop in a question down in the comment. I'll be able to answer all the comments, guys. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe as well. If this video also to give thumb up, if it gives value, give it thumb up, guys. I'll be happy because it helps me with the YouTube algorithm to create more videos like this as well. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.